Hello, good morning again. Welcome to our Velyen webinars again. Today we will be talking about the load testing for the 25-ton four-post lift. Okay, this safety control is made to every single lift before leaving Velyen. We do we will perform a dynamic test. We will perform also a static test, and then finally also a test without loading. Okay, these three tests are always made to all our lifts before leaving Velyen. We assemble the lift here. We made the control test, the safety tests. We disassemble, we pack, and then the lift is shipped. Okay, we will see now the performing of this testing. Come with me to this 25-ton four-post lift. The load in this case are these stones, these yellow stones, which are, every single stone is a little bit more than 3 tons weight. Okay, the total for the 8 stones is 25 tons. So we will perform this test now. For the 25, we will rise to the maximum height, and then we will lower the lift. Here our technician on site, Jose, we will perform this for us. Hola, good morning. Okay, then we will start rising to the maximum height of the lift, okay? As I previously said, we will rise to the maximum height with the maximum load of this lift, 25 tons for post, okay? This is a safety testing load, something very similar to what in the UK they say lower. In fact, this lift is a part of a batch leaving to the UK next week. Once the technician inside is finishing, he will take notes on the testing report. I think now it's reaching the maximum load. Okay, it reached the maximum load. He's checking time and all technical things. And lowering. As I told you before, every single lift before departing Velyen, before leaving, will be checked with this safety control test, dynamic test, static test, and finally the third test, without load. Now the technician is taking notes in this testing report. Okay. Okay, Jose, can we see? We will see what we are checking here in the testing report. For example, well, inspection and essay and test. Okay, we name here the model number, serial number, and all the results of this test made by Jose, our technician on this list. Okay, then Jose, thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Okay, we have seen today how it works, our safety loading test for every lift before leaving Velyen. This going to the UK next week with a batch of four-post heavy duty purposes. That's all. Thank you very much for your time with us. I am waiting for our next webinar. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Bye.